So I'm here at the NT Dirtjumps in Zurich, and I'm here for their last jam because they actually need to turn this place down, which is such a shame because it's one of the coolest trail spots I've ever seen. And yeah, I'm gonna enjoy it, my first and maybe the last time as well. Yeah, try out the jumps and ride with the locals, and hopefully have a good session. Let's try it out. No braking. Ah! Oh, was nice. I went to the wrong kicker in the beginning there as well. So yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I'm trying out this skate park section here. Very cool. Okay, so just follow through, and then if I case the hip, then I pull off.
But the first one is a little bit scary.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Let's go.
Ich hab gesagt, ich pull ihn. Willst du vor?
Ja, okay, komm.
Wow, what I'm doing! Wow. Yeah. Oh shit. Shit, I got off to such a sketchy start there. Like insane.
First kicker, you cannot be too fast.
Yeah, true.
First one.
Yeah, I'm ready. If you're okay, second try. Let's go. Okay, that went better, but I went too close again.
Yeah, I cased the after the step up, the back line. I was.
Oh, that was nice. Okay, that went way better, but you do the jumps like perfectly, so I keep coming closer.
Ah, you came closer?
Yeah, so I was about to jump into you there.
Okay.
So I stopped, but... Okay, now I kind of got the rhythm of it a bit.
You got the rhythm in?
Yeah, a bit.
Do you want to go alone this time or follow me through again?
I follow, but with a bit more space.
Sorry.
I have some distance.
du?
Yeah. Oh, I need to get used to the pulling up on the...
This is sketchy.
Only after the shark fin, steep landing of this.
Yeah.
When you're riding the shark fin safe,
Yeah.
then jump this jump and we're not, then not. Why? The landing is a little bit.
I don't even see where it is. Oh, it's there. Okay, so it's a step down.
Yeah. Little bitch kick and then.
Okay.
Chill.
Okay. I follow you then. Yeah. Ooh, nice. That was good. Oh, so cool.
Yeah. Forgetting about breathing.
I always forget to pull up on the part where you come back, you know.
Okay.
I'm like, whoa.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Okay, so let's go for the big one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Was it good?
Nice, yeah. So currently sessioning the big line, like it's so cool, but it's so hard to do tricks and stuff. I need to ride these things more, but I'm gonna try to do some small things, but it's mainly about the flow today. So cool actually. Yeah. Oh, I'm so tired. Crazy. So much fun, but exhausting to pump. Like these places always amaze me. Like I can't even imagine the effort they put down into building all this, and it's crazy that it's gonna get torn down. But yeah, at least they had a good few years here, and so grateful to be able to come here and ride actually.